We are pleased to show you the 2019 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires, front all-terrain, engine block heater, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.